will show the vertical PCB holder by PacketMicro. It is very handy for holding a PCB in vertical orientation or probing the PCB at the same time on both sides. This PCB holder is 16 inches in both width and height. It has two steel bases with an anti-sag rubber and magnets at the bottom. It can support up to 10 inches or small as 1.5 inches in width. And PacketMicro also has a taller version of the vertical PCB holder that can support up to 18 inches in width. PCBs up to 18 inches in width. It has an opening on both sides, so there's no limitation on your PCB when it comes to length. This PCB holder also has two adjustable parallel bars to hold the PCB. You can unscrew the lower bar here and move it up and down and screw it back into place for security. The upper bar is equipped with two quick release latches that you pull out and do an up and down orientation as well. Now I will demonstrate how to use the vertical PCB holder to hold small, medium, and large PCBs. For the small PCB, first unlatch the quick release levers. Latch this back up, and as you can see, you can quickly hold the PCB in place. Then for a medium-sized PCB with components, you can see that this edge is uneven. So what we can do is we can leave that uneven side on the outside of the parallel holders. Latch it, and it's secure. Now we're going to move on to the large PCB. First, you're going to move the upper bar all the way to the top, latch it, then unscrew this, and lower the bottom all the way down. And then, beneath the lower bar are grooves. Place your large PCB into the grooves. Unlatch the upper bar and drop down onto your large PCB board. Then latch this back up to secure the board in place. Next we will show the complete setup of the vertical probing with the Dyno Light digital microscope on the UH50 flex holder, as well as the TP100 flex positioner with a probe. First I'm going to show you the UH50 flex holder that holds the microscope and the wide range of movement this flex arm has. And then I'm going to transition by moving it to the test point that we want to probe at. Move towards the flex positioner and adjust the flex arm here to move the probe tip closer to our test point. Okay, so this is the setup. We have the vertical PCB holder with the large PCB attached, the flex positioner with the oscilloscope probe, and the digital microscope plugged into the PC, as seen on the monitor here. And as an example, we're going to take the probe tip and make contact with the second pin using the XYZ stage on the flex positioner. So this is the Z screw that moves the tip up and down, and to the side is the Y screw that moves the tip sideways, left to right. And lastly, behind is the X screw that moves the tip forward or backwards. And has made contact. You can see clearly when the probe tip is touching the test point on the screen now. So there you have it. In this video, we used the vertical PCB holder, flex positioner, flex holder, and digital microscope for vertical PCB probing. Feel free to contact us with any questions. Thank you for watching. Check us out at PacketMicro.com and subscribe by clicking the button below or the icon in the top right-hand corner.